Zemidlalo ubugwali kunye namasiko ngizo ezibetheke khulu ngemva kokwehla kwengogwana iCovid-19. Nakusenjalo imphathimandla zikhuthaza abantu ukubalwa nabalandeli bezemidlalo bona bayokujova ukwenzela bona ilizwe lekhethu lizokubuyisela izinto esigeni esijayelekileko kuvule konomnotho.
Nobody today will say there is no vaccination. Vaccination is abound. It's waiting for you and I to ensure that we take that very important step and take the jab.
Abanye bathe bangayizwa indaba le beqa msinya bayokujova. Ukufikela nje sekujova abantu abangaphezulu kwe-27 million lapha ekhethu. Isifunda seTjingalanga Kapa ngiso isikhama phambili ngesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abajovileko kulandele iFree State kunye neLimpopo. Imphathimandla zibawa abantu abangakajovi bona bayokujova.
It is in our hands to minimize the impact of this fourth wave, which is mainly driven by this Omicron variant, by taking a jab and encouraging our family members, friends and colleagues to vaccinate in order to protect themselves.
ISewula Afrika ingenile esigabeni sesine sengogwana iOmicron.